Welcome back.
What are we gonna say?
Wanna lick the spoon?
Sweet potato.
Welcome back to our channel, Teresa and
Lokman. Today we're making a vegan recipe.
yeah, vegan brownies.
We will show you how you can make it. It's super healthy.
The secret ingredient today is a sweet potato. So for those of you who are trying to change up your routine, eat more vegetables, honestly, it's going to blow you away. You'll never know there's a sweet potato. They taste moist and delicious. They're phenomenal brownies. Stick with us.
Before we start, please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. We have so many playlists of recipes, healthy, vegan and other recipes as well, Moroccan recipes, and also we have a language content and we have vlog content too. Feel free to watch our videos and don't forget to leave us the thumb up and subscribe.
And don't forget to check out our ebook linked in the description below. 8 authentic Moroccan recipes, many of which Lokman taught me how to make. So
Made by us.
And 6 of them are vegan. So if you're vegan and you're tuning in for this vegan video, don't forget 6 out of the 8 recipes are vegan. If you eat meat and chicken, there's a couple in there for you as well. Our ingredient list, as always, is in the description below, but I will go through things with you now. You need 1 large sweet potato. I'm using the white sweet potato. Feel free to use the other type if you'd like. A ½ cup of each. Cacao powder, not cocoa powder. No. Pure, good cacao powder, without sugar, without additives. We want a ½ cup of honey, quality honey if we can. A ½ cup of almond flour. We need a ¼ cup of coconut oil. Now, if you're not vegan, you can use ghee, you can use butter. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And the secret ingredient, don't forget it, about a tablespoon or 2 of coffee. We're gonna see how moist our batter is depending how much coffee we put, but a tablespoon of coffee. You'll take your sweet potato, clean it with water, make sure it's nice and clean. Put it in a pot. We're gonna fill this up with water and boil it. Now, a little tip. If you are in a hurry and you don't wanna wait for this potato to boil, you can peel it and you can steam it. You can steam it. Cut it in pieces and put it over a little steamer and let it cook like that. That'll be quicker. It just requires a little bit more work. Our potato has boiled, it's cooked, well cooked. Before we peel it, I want you to melt your coconut oil. If it's hard, we need to melt it. We take our coconut oil out, 4th cup. We'll also melt our honey. Our honey is also a little hard, so we're going to add the honey into our coconut oil. Just for a minute or so. You'll see that coconut oil is pretty much melted. We go ahead and turn it off. eBook. Below. And now we peel our potato. We have our peeled potato. Now we are just simply smashing it. Okay, this is how the potato needs to be. Take a look. So see, it has to be super well blended, so it's very soft. Now I'm gonna pour in my coconut oil and honey. Give it a good mix. And now we pour in the vanilla. Every time you're adding an ingredient, you mix it well to make sure it's super incorporated. Now I add just a tablespoon of my coffee. If I need to add more later, I will. So a little bit of coffee, mix it well. And don't forget, the coffee is such an important part of this because coffee flavor seems to bring out a chocolate flavor even more. So when you add that coffee, you're gonna really heighten the chocolate flavor of the brownies. Now I will add in my dry ingredients. I'll start with almond flour, ½ cup. Baking powder, just a teaspoon. Let's mix this first and then we'll add in our cacao. Just a gentle mix. Now we add in our half cup of cacao. So fragrant, so nice. Can you smell it, Hobie?
Yeah, I do.
It smells so decadent. So it depends on your size of your sweet potato. If the potato is really large and you need the batter to be more moist, then you'll add more coffee. If your potato is the perfect size and you get a nice texture of your batter and you don't need to add more coffee, you don't. But you use the coffee as a way to balance out the texture of your brownies.
Like water.
Yeah, you could use water. Absolutely, you could use water. I like to do this method here with the back of the spoon to flatten out any chunks, whether it's your almond flour, your cacao powder, your sweet potato. You want to get this as smooth and creamy as possible. We have our batter. This is perfect. This is what we want. Add in whatever you would like. I recommend adding in just a little bit of chocolate chips to enhance, again, bring together our brownie chocolate dish, but also something crunchy or something like a walnut. Maybe raisins. I think raisins would be delicious in here as well. Today I'm going to add walnuts and chocolate chips. Now we mix. And what's great about this recipe too is you don't need electric blender or anything like that, electric mixer. Just use a bowl, your spoon, and your hand, all good. So during the pandemic 2020, Lokman made me an apron. He cut up his pants and sewed it, and I have pockets. Designed by Lokman. Oven is turned on 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. Grab some parchment paper and line your brownie pan. If you have a traditional, I think it's 13 by 9, that's great. I'm using this today, it'll work just fine. Okay, now we pour our batter into our parchment paper, our lined brownie pan.
Don't be shy and use your finger.
Okay, I've flattened the brownies. Now we'll just sprinkle a little bit of salt on top.
Why you put salt?
Salt brings out the flavor of everything else, right? So in sweet and savory, it's important to at least put a little bit of salt. In our oven for about 30 minutes, but check it after 15 and just make sure. It's been about 25-26 minutes. We're going to check them and pull them out. They look beautiful. So if you come take a look, you can see it starting to crack on the top. You can also take a toothpick, stick a toothpick right in the middle, and see if it comes out clean. If so, they're ready. They're meant to be quite moist. So what we're going to do is leave them and let them sit for maybe 20-30 minutes before we cut them and try them. So be patient. We're all finished. We've decorated them beautifully.
Yeah, and now we will try to eat them.
Yes.
Mine I decorated with cashews and strawberry, and Teresa with strawberry. Let's try it.
Fingers.
Even me, I don't eat sweet potatoes, but she made this before and she didn't tell me the secret, and it was delicious.
And he loved them. He loved it. I mean, it's hard not to like it. It's delicious. It's moist. It has great flavor. Very chocolatey. Tastes like a brownie. Nice, Hobie?
Super nice. Enjoy this recipe and let us know in the comment how it was.
Essaouira in good health. Okay,
this is the end of our video. Thank you so much for being with us, for watching our video.
Yep.
And we hope you will try our recipe.
Don't forget to check out the description for the ingredients for our ebook. If you're interested in learning Arabic, we have an affiliate link down there, all sorts of stuff. Check out the description.
Yeah, please don't leave without giving us a like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your support.
Absolutely. So
we love you.
Until next time, everybody, take care. On the 3, right? Just last time.
She's busy now.
Busy.
But anyway.
Ugh, okay.
يلا قولي ماشي مشكل.
kind. Oh my god, you're stepping on the counter. It's crazy. Is it going? Okay.
Contents.
Content.
Content.